Hello and welcome. My name is Jim Murray, and this is my tutorial on how to accompany traditional Irish music with the guitar. For the past 13 years, I have toured the world professionally with various artists accompanying traditional Irish music. And in that time, I've carried out many masterclasses and workshops in the accompaniment of Irish music. So I've got a really good grasp of what the student wants to learn. This tutorial will bring you from the basics right through to being a confident and well-rounded accompanist. I have broken each section into easy to access and easy to follow steps that can be played over and over for both the right hand and the left hand. And for each of these examples, I've recorded separate supporting clips for those relevant examples in both standard tuning and in double drop D tuning. Let's look at how to accompany a jig. The time signature for a jig is 6/8, and the 6 being the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 2 beats in every bar, a bar being the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the beats being on the 1 and the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the way to play this is a down, up, down stroke. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we get is a down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Double drop D tuning is the tuning I've preferred to use myself for the last 15 years. And I've given this tuning a comprehensive introduction, a guide to its advantages, its chord shapes, and the use of a capo. We will look at 7 different types of tune: a reel, a jig, a slip jig, a polka, a fast slide, a slow slide, and a hornpipe. And again with supporting clips in both standard tuning and in double drop D tuning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So whether you're familiar or not with Irish music, you're an experienced guitarist in a certain genre, or a guitarist just starting out who's interested in learning how to understand the accompaniment of traditional Irish music, I'm confident that this tutorial will give you the skills and the knowledge on how to accompany traditional Irish music. And I hope, like myself, that you'll have hours of pleasure accompanying Irish music and that you'll meet many new people along the way.